What's good with y'all? It's your boy Curdy Bo, and I'm back with another video, man. And in today's video, I'm about to just be, you feel me, showing y'all the behind the scenes and just breaking down how I mixed and mastered and put my project together on BandLab. So I'm gonna put the picture up right here. I'm gonna put the picture right here. You feel me? You feel me? Yeah, Checks and Chains. It's gonna be about 12 songs on there, and I'm about 5, 6 songs in right now. What I'm doing right now is I'm just mixing through all the songs, and I'm about to get into that later on in the video. And then I'm finna just, you feel me, I'm finna just after I'm done mixing everything, I'm finna just, shoot it out. I already made the cover art and all that. um so we just gonna see how this goes. Let's get into it. All right, y'all. So usually how I go about this, you feel me, to get my mind to just like see it first, I kind of just name all the songs I'm finna be using, and then I like refresh them to the top of to the top of my feed of my songs. You feel me? And then I just go listen to all my songs. I mix all of them through, and then I double back and listen to them one more time before I release them to make sure everything's perfect as far as the mixing. Like I like, for example, go test it in the car. You feel me? Go test it on my car speakers, or just go, you feel me, hook up a little speaker and just see how it sounds. Cause you never know, it might sound good on the headphones, but you feel me, it might, your voice might be louder, than the beat. You feel me? So it could just be little things like that to tweak up that really help out your project. And your and listeners can see that too. They're like, okay, this sound good. I'm gonna listen to it. But hell yeah. Um, this one of my songs on the EP is called Same Language. What I'm doing right here is I'm just listening through it. I'm just trying to, you feel me, I'm just looking for anything that don't need to be there. You feel me? You feel me, just really sharpening the song up. And yeah, man, it's a long process. It's different if you just punching in. I mean, yeah, like it's different if you just like punching in one time, like knocking it out in one, you feel me, one punch in versus just like punching in, cause like you gonna want to keep punching in and keep going, and then that's gonna create more work to like go back and clean them vocals up. But like, it's nothing wrong with it. You feel me? You can't be lazy when it comes to this mixing for real. But you know, um, I'm just adding extra effects to my vocals, and you feel me, like right there, I just added that to an ad lib, so it's gonna cut off into an ad lib and then cut back into my vocals. Just little tricks and just little, my bad, just little mixing tips I use to make the song just pop a little more instead of just sounding stale. You feel me? But yeah, and then my cover art, I had drew that down. You know what I'm saying? Drew that thing down, and just started adding little extra effects on Photoshop to the background and whatnot. And then it just all came together. I'm gonna be making a cover art tutorial soon, how to make an album covers real soon. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that, man. But yeah, man, like I really be saving myself heck of money by just mixing my own music. But then it's like, you feel me? All right, they're not gonna sound the best, but it's like I feel like it's good for me because I'm able to go back and listen to like where I'm messing up at and where I can improve in my mixing. You feel me? And my rapping. So it's just all about improving and trying to learn more. And you feel me? That's the end goal with this, man. You don't need the expensive doll to make a hit. You just gotta, you feel me, put your all into it, and just make sure you know what you're doing. Man, I just got done mixing these songs. You feel me? Like from adding double layer vocals. All right, so for those who don't know, this is just a little, you feel me, tip. If you feel me, duplicate your main vocal and add like a hype box type of preset to it and pitch it down -14 dB and pan it to the left, and then duplicate it and pan that other one to the right. So man, it's gonna make your vocals sound more thicker. Sharpening up everything to like, just turning down, just just, you know, turning down the, like fixing the compressors and the reverbs and whatnot. We just finna rock out, man, see how this go. Y'all, so you feel me? Stay tuned, man. I was supposed to drop this shit early in the morning, but, you feel me? Ended up dropping it just like an hour ago, so, you feel me? It's finna touch all platforms by tomorrow morning and shit. So yeah, bro, I'm just working on this cover art and I'm just working on this little. I'm editing this video. You feel me? And then I'm finna, you know, my bad. I'm all sleepy and high as fuck, but yeah, I'm finna get this video right. Then I'm finna start, you know, doing the marketing for this shit, man. We gonna see how this motherfucker go, man. But you know, make sure y'all stay tuned and smash that like button and smash that subscribe button if y'all want to see more videos like this, man. You feel me? I just thought, why not? You feel me? Show y'all behind the scenes and you feel me? Just how a nigga maneuver with this shit. But hell yeah, I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Curdy Bo in this thing. Curdy Bo out, man. Peace.